Hi, my name is Gurmeet. I'm the Head of Financial Education, Training and Capability Development for WealthTrade Malaysia. Today, I'm going to forecast on the gold trend based on fundamental analysis and also technical analysis. First and foremostly, as we can see, Fed is likely to increase the interest rate up to 25 basis points, and basically it's a relatively smaller points on the coming Wednesday. And it is likely that this will be continuing even up to February. Secondly, as we can see, the market is also waiting for more confirmation from the NFP, which will actually be this Friday. And it is expected that it would be at 185,000 compared to 223,000 previously. Thirdly, as we can see, a slew of Chinese economic data is also awaited this week, as we would like to see what would actually happen based on the economic recovery due to the most places in China has already actually relaxed its COVID policy. The trend that we are looking at is basically bullish. The fundamental range that we have is between 1924.44 to 1934.56. Moving forward with the technical analysis, as we are able to see over here, for technical analysis, if we look at our daily, we have 3 support points and we have 3 resistance points based on Fibonacci. Our first support point is 1926.62, our support 2 is 1925.84, and our support 3 is 1924.56. And for our resistance 1, we have 1929.18. For our resistance 2, we have 1929.96, and for our resistance 3, we have 1931.24. And our pivot point is basically at 1927.90. First and foremostly, the most importantly is that we will have to look at what our technical indicators are indicating. As we are able to see at our daily, we can see that our daily is basically showing us a strong buy. We will have to check with our another 2 time frames, which is the weekly and also the monthly. As we can see for the weekly, we also have our technical indicators to give us a strong buy, as well as for the monthly as well, it's also a strong buy as well. We can use another indicator which is known as the linear regression in order to know further about the trend. As we are able to see, we will have to also check the linear regression in the 3 time frames. As we are able to see at the daily, we can see that it is more supporting towards a uptrend. And if we go for our weekly, we can see that it is more towards downtrend, and we move forward with the monthly, we are able to see that it is also supporting more towards the strong buy or the uptrend. What is most importantly is that we will have to use 2 types of strategy tester, which is known as the Bollinger Band strategy tester and also the RSI strategy tester, and it is important to ensure that the percent profitable that we get from the both strategy tester is basically above 50%. As we are able to see at the daily, we can see based on the RSI strategy, we are having about 66.67%, and for our weekly, we have about 56.25%, and for our monthly, we have about 50%. Moving forward with our Bollinger Band strategy tester, for our Bollinger Band strategy tester, as we are able to see at the daily, we have about 64.57%, and for our weekly, we have about 57.89%, and for our monthly, we have about 36.36%. As we are able to see here, our monthly time frame does not actually meet the requirement where the RSI and also the Bollinger Band strategy tester must be above 50%. What we could do currently, as we know that based on technical analysis, we are having that all our technical indicators to basically show us a strong buy. And as we are looking into daily, we will definitely focus on the daily, and our fundamental analysis is also supporting more towards the bullish as well. So what we can do is that we can actually go to our daily at our support 1, which will be at 1926.62, which will be our entry point, and we can take our profit at 1927.90, which would be our pivot point. Okay, this is one of the way that where we can trade, and it has about 80 to 85% winning rate in the market. For further information, kindly contact me, Gurmeet. May you have a wonderful day.